Video I'm going to show you how to get live location on Truecaller. For that, open your Truecaller and search the number you wanted to search. I'm going to search a number and we will see where the location is. So you can see I'm going to paste the number and then press for the search. Uh, Ads will be pop out if you are using the non-paid version. If you're using the paid version, there will be no ads. Okay, you see, here is the number. It is the number of US President White House. You can check some of the comments behind or below. If you're using the premium version, you will get to know more details about it. And here you go. Here is the location. You can see. Here is the location. It's written here. United States, Virgin. So by this way, you can see the or track location of the number by using Truecaller. Thank you for watching the video.